Here with Sterling, the devil dog, but not really a cutie pups. We do carry animal costumes, and Sterling looks fantastic. Sterling, thank you for being here today. And I'm sure you got to go to a place that's really hot. No, you go to the good place, huh, pup? We are talking Halloween, and we're talking Addams Family. They look amazing. Now we mixed it up a little bit, of course. You know, Dad's Wednesday, Mom's Gomez, and the cutie pants Morticia. She looks so great. You know, the best part about this is that we mix new goods, our new stuff, with some of our used. Like, when we look at Wednesday here, maybe you have some of those boots in your closet. But this dress here, you know, $7.99, the shirt $7.99, put it with the new wig, $7.99, you're coming in under $30. Gomez looks fantastic. That pantsuit is $19. Throw in a $5.99 shirt, a cute little $2.99 scarf tie, and those shoes are fantastic for $7.99. And then the best, Morticia. She looks fantastic in her $5.99 dress. So honestly, you know, $60, $70, you can get the whole family outfitted with new and used stuff. And how do you guys feel in it? Comfortable. Comfortable. I like that he said. You guys look fantastic. Thank you very much. And I just want to say, if I could get my own photo of this family, it's the kind of family I like. Much social media. Thank you, Addams Family. We are down here at the Seattle Goodwill Dearborn location in the employee area. We're hanging out with Cher from Clueless. Cher, how are you today?
I'm doing great.
You're doing great. See you at your locker there. School's about ready to start. Are you ready for the day?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. All right, let's go over there now. Down here at the Seattle Goodwill Dearborn location, and I'm hanging out with, well, we saw her earlier. That would be Cher. Cher's ready to go today to school, I guess, to hang out with her friends. You've seen the movie Clueless. This is a great look to do. We mixed new with old. I got her a brand new wig, pulled some stuff from the sales floor, and Cher, as if, this is great. How do you feel? Great. Let's go over some pricing really quick. Shoes are $5.99. Those are some brand new tights we got. Those are $5.99. That skirt's $7. It is nice and wool. This men's shirt is $7.99. This little sweater is $5.99. You can throw like a $9.99 wig on it. Everything under like $35. Sure, you look fantastic. She knows. Thank you everybody for watching social media. See you again.